What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build It, Boost It. I am snow blind. It's so white out here. So we got a new truck for the channel. I guess it's actually for me. Ford single cab, essentially a race car. Let's see. It's plugged in, so it's not like a true cold start, but it's like 20 below out today. And we need to move this truck to get another one in here, so. Yeah, that should be good.
Give it a minute. Once it kicks into the high idle, I'll try to pull up fast forward through this. BMW. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 6-0, baby. Oh, I gotta get down there. Oh, here we go. High idle's pretty rowdy. This is all turbo. I'll go inside, let it warm up here for about 10 minutes. Oh, and then move it. Thanks for watching. Lots more to come on this guy. I got a lot of stuff to do to this truck. I got a little bit of stuff to do to the other truck. We got the Dodge. Lots of stuff to do on that. And probably won't film nothing on that other truck for now, but like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and yeah, hopefully like 6.0s, because I'm gonna do a lot of stuff with them. Okay, bye.